The sun shines brightly as the dog and cat arrive at the sandy beach, waves rolling gently. The cat stares nervously at the water, unsure if it's ready to swim. The dog smiles warmly, holding out a paw, reassuring the cat that it will be safe. The cat dips one paw into the water, shivering at the cool touch. The dog splashes water playfully, showing the cat that swimming can be fun. The cat clings to the dog's back as they step deeper into the water. The dog demonstrates floating, encouraging the cat to relax and trust the water. The cat lies back nervously, paws spread, trying to float like the dog. The dog steadies the cat, holding it gently so it doesn't sink. The cat paddles clumsily, splashing water everywhere, but moving forward. They laugh together, realizing progress is made through effort and care. The dog dives gracefully under the water, showing the cat how it's done. The cat dips its head under, emerging quickly with wide eyes and a laugh. They swim side by side, umbrella of trust holding them together. Tired but happy, they rest on the sand, watching the waves roll in. The cat realizes it can swim, confidence glowing in its eyes. They chase each other along the shoreline, splashing water joyfully. As the sun sets, they swim together once